Hey you beautiful people, I hope everyone's doing great. Today my destination is province of Reti. The most amazing thing about this place is it has mountains. बहुत ही बर्फ रहने वाला हो माउंटेन्स में. अभी चल रहे हैं, अभी 0 डिग्रीज है बिल्कुल. It is 0 right now. So up there in the mountains it is -2 or -3. So let's get there and with 2 other friends today. This guy is Jibin, this guy is Jaren, and we are really excited. Very cool, yeah.
I think 5-3 is very cold.
Very cold. It's very cold out here, and I will show you guys my perspective of Reti, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Do subscribe the video, like it, and share it around. So we are on our way to the mountains. So we got to take a bus from here, जो सीधा जाता है माउंटेन्स पे. So every 3 hours को एक बस है. So अभी एक बस लेना पड़ेगा, उधर से सीधा माउंटेन्स पे चले आएंगे और उसके बाद शुरू होने वाला है. मज़ा आएगा यार, बहुत मज़ा आएगा. Now we're waiting for the bus. It's in half an hour. So see you guys up there in the mountains. Here comes the bus to Monte Terminello. We are going to board the bus right now, and we would reach there in an hour, and you're going to witness a very beautiful mountain. See you guys up there. We're getting up there. Look at the amount of snow. Oh, we got on from the bus, and we are finally here at this beautiful place where I wanted to come here from so long. क्या place है भाई, एकदम खड़क snow. Place, and this is where I wanted to click the photos always. This is 2,300 meters above the sea level, and it's not that cold. I thought it would be a bit cold, but it's not that cold because we have already experienced 2 degrees. So right now it is 2 degrees out here, so it's not that cold. So this is Montagna Terminello, and I'm really in love with this place, and I will go up and I'll show you guys more of this Montagna. Oh man, this dog is running. Oh, is it coming towards me? No. Oh man, I got scared. I thought it was running towards me, man. How did you like the place, guys? How did you like the place?
Nice. Addipoli, super Addipoli.
ये स्नो पिकअप के लिए कभी कभी आते जाते रहते हैं. मतलब रोड में if there is excess of snow and if a vehicle cannot pass through because of the snow, maybe they'll remove the snow and they'll put it aside. We've reached up there, and this is the view. Look at these mountains, guys. So ये है रास्ता ऊपर चलने का. We are getting up there. चलो. ओ मैं तो गिर के चल रहा हूँ. चलो चलते हैं ऊपर. गिरना नहीं. Come on boy, you can do this. गिरना नहीं. ओ भाई मेरा पैर गया अंदर, मेरा पैर अंदर गया। क्या दे हेल्प ब्रो। जरिन 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 है, हेल्प ब्रो, आई एम स्टक। चलो कोई नहीं, मेरे दोस्त कोई भी नहीं आ रहे हैं, कोशिश करता हूँ अकेले चढ़ने की यार। वाह, करता हूँ कोशिश अकेले चढ़ने की। हाँ, देखो मगर ये स्नो में जब चढ़ रहे हो, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप, नेवर stay at one place for too long because your legs can go deep and it will be more difficult to climb. So finally to the heavens I reach here. I'm tired guys. How are you? This is the place you guys should visit. Sorry if I'm breathing too much, but थका दिया यार वो स्नो ने बहुत। चलो अभी थोड़े enjoy the footage. So guys, photo shoot सब हो गया. So अभी I have something exciting to show you. I have found a wonderful human being, a wonderful man. I stayed in India for 3 years in Uttarakhand, and he speaks Hindi as well a bit. So I'll let you meet him, and he's here. Hey, hi. How are you? What's your name?
Namaste ji.
Namaste.
Namaste ji. I'm
Can you
Eric.
get
Mel Eric from Peru.
Peru?
Peru.
He's
yeah.
from Peru, and he knows a bit of Hindi as
A
well.
bit of India. I lived in India for 3 years. I'm very
Okay.
happy. I spent a very beautiful time in India. I met my wife in India, so I'm
Wow.
Yeah, I spent most of my time in Rishikesh in Uttarakhand.
Wow.
So with Ganges, it was an amazing time for me.
Wow.
That's why every time when I know some Indian people, I'm very grateful to speak with them, and I'm very thankful for all the things that I learned in India. And it's my pleasure to meet you and stay
And
here.
how do you like the Indian cuisine?
I love paratha, of course, no?
Paratha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aloo paratha is my best dish.
Wow.
Aloo paratha. I love aloo paratha. And then all the food, but now it's very difficult to find some good Indian food. Sometimes here in Rome there are some restaurants,
Exactly. Yeah.
but the ingredients sometimes are different. Yeah, I spend very good time.
Yeah.
I love the food, the people.
Wow. That was the Peru guy who stayed in India for 3 years, and in Uttarakhand, Rishikesh, and he loves the river Ganga. And whenever he meets Indian people, he's very grateful. So, and one more thing to say, I've found my friends here. What a coincidence! I have found them, and they've also visited this place right now, and they are having fun as well. They're enjoying over there. So let's meet them. So as I've told you, I've met my friends coincidentally, and I'll show you guys, and I'll make them meet you. Three of them are my classmates, and rest all of are the people, are Indians who live in Rome. So this is the group. This is the group I've met coincidentally. बहुत प्लान भी नहीं करे कुछ, हम भी आज ही आए, वो लोग भी आज ही आए. It was very nice meeting all of you. So how are you guys? How are you guys liking the place?
मजा आ रहा है।
तो कैसा लगा प्लेस आपको?
बहुत खूबसूरत है।
What's your name and?
निश्चय।
Okay. So, how did you like the place? Did you expect this amount of snow?
No.
इतना नहीं था last time also.
It's like Switzerland.
This time it was like Switzerland. We have changed the country, bro.
It's like a mini Switzerland, right?
Yeah, exactly.
सस्ते में मस्त।
So I've met a guy, guys. He stayed in Uttarakhand, Rishikesh for 3 years, and he loves the river Ganga. And whenever he sees Indian people, he's very grateful and is very happy when he sees it. So he's from Peru. He lives in Rome, and he's a great guy. I've spoken to him and I've shot a video as well. So unfortunately, his baby started crying, so he had to leave. So बहुत अच्छा लगा सबसे मिलके. And she's Kalyani. He's Rajesh. Both of them are my classmates. He's Nischay. I barely see him in college, but
Even though he is also a
yeah,
classmate.
he's our classmate. But I barely see him. I saw him in 2018 at the end, and 2019 January maybe near the exams.
And this is 2020.
2020, and he's still going on.
Yes.
इसका तो कोविड 2018 में ही आ गया।
Yeah. And what's your name, bro?
Charan.
Charan, what do you do in Italy?
I have studied.
Ah, what's your name?
Jagruti.
Your name is Kalyani. Akil.
I'm studying
राजेश
here.
yeah.
Rajesh Vanguri, and
Yeah.
he's a good photographer as well. He takes good photos as well.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
To my channel, huh? to my channel. To my channel. So, it is great meeting you. So we are staying back, and we'll stay tonight, and we'll party or we'll have something. And they're leaving today. I mean, they're taking the bus back to Rome. So see you guys someday in college.
See you.
Hopefully graduating everyone
Yeah.
in March.
By March.
Hopefully everyone is studying well, and see you guys at the college. Have a great trip, guys. Stay safe, wear your mask,
Yeah.
and maintain social distancing. This mountain is 100 kilometers from Rome. It is a beautiful place. You can come with your family, you can chill, you can come with your friends, and it is the most visited place as well. So, Jibin, are you tired? Are you tired? His leg is paining because we have walked almost 15 kilometers and we are still walking. We had a bit of rest in the overnight, but बहुत उसका legs pain हो रहा है. पहुंच गए भाई, एक नंबर है और क्रिसमस का माहौल शुरू भी हो गया है. तो क्रिसमस ट्री सब सेटअप करना है और इधर एक छोटा सा ब्रिज है. इधर भी एक स्लोप है, उधर भी एक स्लोप है, उधर भी एक स्लोप है और उधर सीधा माउंटेन दिख रहा है. तो एक नंबर प्लेस है ये. अभी जाएंगे हम वो ब्रिज के पास, तो रास्ते में चलते चलते दिखाएंगे. तो फाइनली पहुंच गए पोंते. सो मैं विश करता हूँ मैं इधर ही रहूँ, इतना ब्यूटीफुल है. आप देख सकते हैं इधर एक ब्रिज है, ये एक ब्रिज है और उधर एक ब्रिज दिख रहा है आपको. I've made an amazing decision. बहुत सही decision था, worth coming here. So if anyone is watching from Italy and if you want to go to a place where you can find peace and have fun, go to some mountains over there. You just have to come to this place called Rieti. It's beautiful, it's cost effective, and it is the most amazing place. You can click photos, you can have fun, you can roam around, and there's no one to restrict you as well unless you do something weird. So enjoy the time lapse, guys. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse. I hope you guys loved the video, and this is it. We have enjoyed our time in Rieti, and it's been an absolute pleasure shoot करने के लिए ये सब, और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. तो with that said, let's end the video right here. No man, no. Let's switch. So what goes around comes around. So I've started my first video here, and I'm gonna end it here, ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for sharing so much of love with my previous videos. These are my two travel partners. They'll always be my travel partners. So do like and subscribe the video, and do check out his Instagram page. We have taken numerous amount of photos. I hope you guys love it, and see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, stay home, stay safe.